How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now, you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 3. Now, maybe you think that after you retire that things are just going to be, take each day as it comes and just do whatever and just, live whatever happens. But I really think it's important for you to plan ahead. Now, that may look very differently depending on what stage of life you're in. If you are like me, where I retired fairly young, then you have some things, okay, I still want to accomplish some things at this time. If you are 65, 70, 75, you may have some other plans that you want to make. Like you might say, well, I need to downsize, or I need to move closer to my grandchildren, or I need to do these, but you've got to have some plans. So this is the third thing I suggest you do, is to plan ahead in retirement. Now, for my husband and I, of course, I'm already retired. My husband is in the process of doing that, and part of our planning ahead is basically remodeling where we're going to live so that it will be a comfortable and nice place that we can appreciate, and we don't have to worry about doing all of those home improvement projects once we're moved in and he's fully retired. So that's part of our planning ahead. Your planning ahead may look different. If you're a little bit younger, you might be thinking about reinventing yourself, and part of that plan may be taking on a new career, getting some more education, all of those things. So you need to really sit down and just do it the old-fashioned way. Sit down and write it, whether you're typing it or handwriting it. Plan ahead. What are you going to do? Break it down into first month, 6 months, a year. It really does help. Now, I know that this year of 2020, when I'm recording this, has been a hard time to plan ahead, but you can do as much as you possibly can. It's going to make things a lot easier and help your transition. And as I go down the 25 things, you'll see why planning ahead is important. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire, or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.